Hello children, welcome back to the class. So continue to the previous class. So here few of the topics will be there. So additive identity. What is an additive identity? So 0 is the additive identity for integers. Yes, for any integer a, then a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a. So why? Because that why 0 is an additive identity means 0 we can add to the any number, we can get that same number. Yes children, suppose that 2 plus 0 equal to 2, 0 plus 2 equal to 2, 5 plus 0 equal to 5, 0 plus 5 equal to 5. So 0 we can add to the any number. Yes, is it in that integer or whatever it is, that positive number or negative number or whatever it is, that we can get that same number. So that's why 0 is an additive identity. And next one is that additive inverse. Yes, for any integer a, so additive inverse is minus a. So for suppose a is an what is a is that additive inverse is minus a, just reverse also, minus a additive inverse is a. Why? Because so whenever we are adding that the two numbers, we get that 0. So a plus and minus a, so plus into minus, minus, so a minus a 0. Yes children, so what is an 5 additive inverse? Minus 5. 6 additive inverse? Minus 6. 10 additive inverse? Minus 10. Yes, so like that only, minus 10 additive inverse is 10, minus 6 additive inverse is 6. Yes, vice versa. Yes, so what is an additive inverse of a is minus a. Minus a additive inverse is a. So a plus minus a equal to 0. So this is an additive inverse. And next one is that multiplicative identity. So what is an multiplicative identity? 1. 1 is that multiplicative identity. Why 1 is that multiplicative identity? Means for any integer a into 1 equal to 1 into a equal to a. So 1 multiply with any number, we can get that a or same number. Okay, so 5 into 1, 5, 1 into 5, 5, 10 into 1, 10, 1 into 10, 10. So 1 multiply with any number, we can get that same number. Yes, so that's why 1 is that multiplicative identity. Yes, so multiplication by 0. So we already know that any number multiply with 0, we can get that 0. So whatever it is, that a or 5 or 6, whatever it is, that any number multiplication by 0 or multiply with 0, 0 only. And next one more is that multiplicative inverse. What is a multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. Additive inverse is minus a. Yes, but here multiplication, so means 1 by a, just reverse. Okay, so 1 by a additive inverse is, sorry, multiplicative inverse is 1 by a. Don't confuse it. 1 by a is a multiplicative inverse, minus a is an additive inverse. Yes children, so here and vice versa also. Vice versa in the sense 1 by a multiplicative inverse is a. So how that a 1 by a is in a multiplicative inverse in the sense, suppose here a into 1 by a, both we should multiply, both a get cancelled, what we get, that 1. So that's why, so a multiplicative inverse is 1 by a. 1 by a multiplicative inverse is a. Yes children, and next one is that division by 0. For any integer a divided by 0 is not defined. Divide with 0. In case of denominator is 0, so that is not defined. A divided by 0. Okay, so that is not defined. But 0 divided by a is 0. So this is important one. Don't confuse here. Denominator is 0, so that is not defined. A divided by 0, nothing but how we can write that, a by 0. So what is that? Not defined. Yes, so 0 divided by a, nothing but 0 by a. So it means 0. Here 0 is denominator, so that's why not defined. Here 0 is the numerator, so it is an 0. So like that you can identify. Yes, a divided by 0 is not defined and 0 divided by a is 0. Yes children, so this is the division by 0. And next one is the division by 1. So for any integer a divided by 1. So what is that? A. So divide with 1. What is that? A. So a by 1, nothing but in case of denominator, so how we can write that? A by 1. So nothing but a. In case of denominator 1 means we should write as an a. A only. Yes children. So A divided by 1 means same number. So this is that. So some of the rules. Yes. So these all everything we should learn compulsory. So additive identity is, what is an additive identity? 0. Additive inverse of A is minus A. Multiplicative identity is 1. Multiplication by 0 is 0. Multiplicative inverse of A is 1 by A. A divided by 0 is not defined. 0 by A equal to A and A by 1 equal to A. Yes, so these all are the rules. So you should learn compulsory. And next one is that exercise 5. So first bit is that verify the following. Yes children, here 2 questions will be there. So one question I will explain for you. Okay, and so what is a question? Here exercise 5. So first bit verification 1 and 2. These 2 questions we should verify. So second question I am explaining for you. Yes, so first we can observe that this is looking like which property. So what is which property it is? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So which property that is? Yes, distributive property. Using the distributive property. So first whatever the question we can identify, that is looking like which property. So this is looking like which property? Distributive property. So A into B plus C. Yes, so B plus C under multiplication, under addition, at a time 2 operations we are using. So that's why distributive property A into B plus A into C. So using the distributive property, so A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So before that how we are solving like that only, LHS RHS verification, no? So that's why both we should compare it and equal it. So first we are taking as an LHS. LHS nothing but left hand side. In the question what is an left hand side? This one. So first we should write that minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. Yes. So whatever the question, first inside the bracket. So this is that minus, no? So that's why smaller bracket, so bigger bracket. First inside the bracket we should do. Yes. So here as it is, write that minus 21. So minus 4 plus minus 6. Yes, minus 4. Okay. Then here these two we should add it. Yes. So plus into minus we already learned, no? Inside that, okay, minus and outside the bracket both we should multiply. Plus into minus, what is that? Minus. So what is the plus into minus? Minus. So minus 4 and minus 6. Yes, so what is a minus 4 minus 6? Minus 10. Yes, now minus 21 into minus 10, both we should multiply. So minus into minus, what is that first? Plus 21 into 10, 210. So what is an LHS answer? 210. Yes. So after completing the LHS, now we are going to that RHS. So means right hand side. Yes. So what is an RHS? Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Yes, as it is, right? So here first, okay, whatever we are multiplying that inside the bracket, first this one you should multiply, here you should multiply. So minus 21 into minus 4 in one bracket, minus 21 into minus 6 in another bracket. Yes, so minus into minus plus 21 4s are 84. Yes, so total plus 84, and then after here plus as it is, right? Then minus 21 into minus 6. So minus into minus plus 21 6 are 126. Yes, so both are plus. Now here what is the symbol? We should, which operation we should apply? Addition. Now 84 plus 126 how much? 210. Here what is an RHS? 210. LHS also 210. So both are positive integers. Yes. So now LHS is equal to RHS. Now is both are equal now. So hence verified. Yes children. So like that you can solve that next question. Yes children. Okay. Thank you.